Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Nubby's number factory error in action number 1. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when players launch the game. Many users shared that after playing for several hours, the game suddenly breaks and shows this error, preventing them from continuing. According to our research, this error is most likely caused by corrupted save data or progression bugs that break the game at higher rounds. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to turn off Steam Cloud and then delete the file Nubby progression to fsave from C:users, user app data, local nnf full version. Once done, restart the game and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then it may be because your progression has already broken the game. This means your run has essentially ended and you can't go further. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.